explorers. Today we're gonna be planting our seeds indoors, and as always I got my little helper with me. We're gonna be showing you all how to do this on a budget or without spending a lot of money. It's gonna be budget friendly, cost effective, and also, as always, have a lot of fun with the family. As you can see, my girls will always have fun in the backyard with me. Y'all ready?
Let's do it.
Alright, let's go. So the supplies we're gonna be using, I got this 72 cells. You can pour your water at the bottom of this and it will basically fit the water into the tray. Also, if you don't want to spend money as well, if you got like egg trays, you can put your soil in there as well, create a hole in the bottom, and you can plant your seedlings as well on a budget. Or if you have like plastic cups laying around, you can basically drill holes on there as well. It's cost effective and save a lot of money as well. So this I've been showing my daughter how to do this as well. You all right? You good? From there we're gonna be using the natural and organic seed starting mix. This is aerated, so the soil is loose. It's good if you're on a budget to put into your seed trays. On there you don't know like miracle glow soils or heavy clay soil, because your seeds need time to generate or the soil is too condensed. So you want something that loose on there. Also, if you want to create your own, it can save money as well. You can use basically veronite, perlite, cocoa coir, or if you have pit moss, you can add them together and basically create your own as well.
Favorite part is the spray.
Your sprayer?
Yeah.
The spray bottle? Okay.
Spray.
I think that should have enough. Alright, the seed starting mix is lighter, so the seeds don't struggle. You can go ahead and play in it. You see how it's light and fluffy?
It's nice and fluffy like brown.
So that's what we need.
Fluffy like the
so
brown.
we need this in order to put it for the seeds to germinate. If the soil is compact, the seeds won't germinate because the soil is too compact. Alright? Yeah. So let's add a little of water to just get it moistened.
Yes, in a bucket. Can we mix it? Can we mix it, Dad?
Yeah, you can go ahead and mix it. So you see how the soil is nice and aerated or fluffy, and it's not too wet, it's not too dry. So these little things, you see them white little things or them white or gold little things, you see them? They're very small. You see them?
I see those. Yeah.
What they call?
I don't know.
You don't know? So it's got like veronite in there. I can't pronounce the name, but I'll put it on the screen. And it got like some perlites in there. What do? They add aeration to the soil.
Oh.
Alright?
Aeration.
We're gonna take the soil that we mix and we're gonna add it into where?
In here.
Into our trays. Okay? So we're gonna take it like this and then we're gonna spread it out.
Like that.
Like this.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Go ahead and do it. Zara, do not put it too high because you're throwing the soil. Put it close to the bottom like this. Okay? So now we fill up the seed trays. So now we're gonna compact the soil. The easiest way to do this is to do it as a one. So we're gonna lift it up and plumb it down. Okay?
Okay, I can do that. 1, 2.
Okay, so what you notice?
Is the soil is going down. Yeah.
Perfect, give me a bounce. The soil is going down, so that means it's getting what? Compacted. So now we're gonna add some more soil to it. Alright girls, so we're gonna be planting some bell peppers. So we got the red one, and also from our last season from last year, we have some bell peppers that was saved up. So we have like the yellow one that we saved from last year. We got the green one and also the red orange as well that we saved from last year, from last season. Also we got some herbs. We're gonna be planting some parsley, some sage, some cilantro, some thyme, and some basil, and some watermelon. All right, before we go and plant the red one, or before I let you plant the red one, we're not gonna be planting it deep. Okay, we're gonna be planting it like a 1/4 inch deep, and then we're gonna cover it with soil. If you plant it too deep, it's not gonna sprout. Okay, because it's gonna be too deep. We're gonna put 2 seeds in there. Remember, 2 seeds. We're gonna put 1, but in case one don't germinate, we're gonna have another one that will. Okay, so come over here. So you're gonna put 2 seeds in one hole. Okay, so you're gonna put like this, and then you're gonna put it in. Okay, go ahead and put it in. Okay, and then you cover it like this. Okay, so now we plant our peppers. Now we're gonna plant cucumbers as well. We're gonna put 2 in a tray, into a thing, or 1 in a thing. Okay, but we're gonna put 2. Okay, so we're gonna dig a hole. Go ahead and do the hole. Dig it in the center, and then put 2 seeds, and then cover it up. Then we're gonna put the watermelon. Okay, so we're gonna put one seed.
One, yeah, because it's deep, because it's big.
Yeah, so go ahead.
And one right there.
Put one
the
right
other
there.
one.
Now we planted the seeds in the trays. Now we're gonna label the seeds to know which one is it, because once it's sprouted, they all look the same, correct? All right, you ready?
Yes.
So go ahead and write the name. You're gonna put the name tomato on there. You write it? Good job. Now we're gonna put them together.
How one of the plants gonna grow?
Okay, so to answer your questions, how long the plant's gonna take to grow? It's gonna be depending on the type of seeds we're gonna be planting, or that was planted. So for example, lettuce is normally take what, 3 to 5 days for it to grow, whereas peppers, it take longer. Tomatoes, it will take some time to germinate as well. Okay, cucumbers grow fast. They take like 3 to 5 days for them to sprout as well. All right, the reason why we're planting the seeds indoors is because we can get a head start, like I mentioned, in the season, and also to save money as well. All right, y'all good? Any more questions?
No.
Okay guys, we'll show you all the transplanting in a few weeks.
How big than them? See you the next time, guys.
Guys, see y'all.